Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nithya Astro Vastu. In the series of Planet Through Houses, today we are seeing what happens when Sun sits in the seventh house. My name is Prachi Maheshwari and let's learn together astrology in its simplest form. On your screen, you can see 12 houses of a horoscope, and these are the characteristics of Sun. As we know, that Sun is your soul, individuality, your self expression, your vitality, and your ego. Sun also represented by father or father figure, king, or government. Sun has some unique characteristics like leadership skills, authority, ego, and confidence. Now comes to the seventh house. Seventh house is your spouse. Any other person is also seventh house. Seventh house is your marriage, marketplace, your partnership, legal contracts, and union. When Sun comes in the seventh house, now a king whose son is coming to a marketplace. So, what will happen? Sun comes to the marketplace, but Sun doesn't know how to negotiate. So, Sun is quite comfortable here. When Sun is sitting in the first house, he's a king. So he just give orders and other person just listen to Sun's order. But when you come to the seventh house, you have to do negotiation. In this house, you cannot just order. That's why Sun is usually very uncomfortable. And that is also the reason in the natural zodiac, seventh house is Libra and Sun is deviated in Libra because Sun is not comfortable in this environment. So when Sun goes to the market, he doesn't want to negotiate. So that's why doing business in this position is not recommended because they are not good negotiators. Now comes to the spouse and marriage. When Sun comes to the seventh house, one thing we can tell that the spouse of these people comes from a very reputed family who has a good reputation in the society. So spouse is very confident, have good morals and good self-esteem. But the marriage part is not that good when Sun is sitting in the seventh house. Because seventh house is win-win situation that you take care of other person, the other person will take care of you. There's not like one-way deal. Both parties should win. So, but when Sun is sitting in the seventh house, they just want all the shine or attention towards themselves. So they want their spouse to say good words about them, give them respect, but then according to that, they do not reciprocate in the same way to their spouse. So sometimes this position of seventh house Sun might be challenging in marriages. If there are other planets like Venus or Jupiter, then it gets balanced. But Sun alone sitting in the seventh house is not very good position for marriage per se. Now comes to the partnership. Same way because they have a nature of kingly that I need attention, I need all the shine, and they do something so people will praise it. So this is position also not good for partnership because the other person feels that this person is dominating on them, because Sun in seventh house they don't listen, they just want to give orders because Sun has a natural tendency of having a authoritative figure. So the other person feels that this person is not listening to them, and that is the reason sometimes doing partnership in business is very difficult for these people. So usually with this position it is advisable to do some job, and do some job in government or some position which has some authority in the masses, like they can be a secretary of some politician or some government jobs which they a lot of people work under them and they just give orders to them. So these jobs are more suitable to these people when Sun is sitting in the seventh house. sun wants the shine. So now it is on the seventh house, when seventh house means all the other people other than you. So now they demand respect and love from the other people, and for that sometimes they lower their confidence. They do certain things to please people, they do certain things to prove other people that, oh, they are the king, they are the real king. So sometimes, for doing all these things, they slip into that people pleasing phase, and for that, sometimes they show low self esteem. So, this is how Sun behaves when it sits in the seventh house. In next video, we will see what happens when Sun sits in the eighth house. Meanwhile, save the video and subscribe the channel so you don't miss any important video. Thank you.